Guys, I just woke up, but it's a box. Not just any kind of box. Does any of this look familiar to anybody? It might in a second when I get everything out. Now, does this look familiar to anybody when it focuses? Maybe that. Unboxing time. Okay, all the manuals. Let's see. We got the strap. Here's the lens. So I'm going to take this out. And this is a 28-70. Yes. Okay. 28-70 Sony. Lens cap. Or, yeah. It's early, so if I say anything wrong, that's why. I woke up like 5 minutes ago. I heard the doorbell and I was like, it's here. Here we go. Boom. Sony a7ii. Upgrading from my Canon PowerShot SX 740 to this. Some of the photography YouTubers I watch use the Sony A series, so this is what prompted me to get one of these. And they seem like a really good camera, so that's probably the end of the video unless we'll unbox the lens and the filters. So if you remember my 20 things in 2020, I owned a Sony A series. Boom. I owned 2 additional lenses. This is all in a bundle on the website. So I'm happy I came across this. Okay. Here's a wide angle. And here's the telephoto. And I got some ND filters. They're taped. Okay. Cleaning kit, backpack. What's this? HDMI cord. Camera cleaning stuff. A tripod came in it. Battery charger. Another strap. So yeah, I will definitely get some footage on this and include the pictures in the end of the vlog.